Right. Just come up that steep bit there. I don't know, I'm the only one up here. There are a few people down there under the bridge, but I don't think they're going any further. Weather looks good. Zena looks good. And I feel good. Not. I'm knackered. I shouldn't have left this so long. Ain't colder up here though. It's fine while you're moving. It's when you stop, even for 5 minutes, it's freezing there. Right, I can get to the top before dark. It's about 4:45 now. I've got to be there within the hour. Right, so straight back down. It's not snow anymore, it's solid ice. Even what looks soft is not. Look. Solid. So I've got to be careful coming back in dark. I'll have the best lamps you can buy, so no problem. See you later.